Did you know that the food you eat can be the key to battling almost every disease? It's incredible to think that our daily choices, the very things we put on our plates, can actually lead to healing from within. We're bombarded with information about fad diets and quick fixes, but what if I told you that the answer to better health could be found in the simplicity of whole plant-based foods? Today, we're going to explore this powerful way of eating that some experts believe can cure a wide range of illnesses, from heart disease to diabetes and even certain types of cancer. So grab a snack, sit back, and get ready to find out how one simple way of eating could change your life. One of the most compelling aspects of a whole food, plant-based diet is its incredible nutrient density. We're talking about foods in their most natural state, fruits bursting with antioxidants, vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals, legumes brimming with fiber and protein. These aren't just buzzwords. These nutrients are the building blocks of a healthy body. They're what our cells crave to function optimally, repair damage and ward off disease. Take vitamin C, for example. Found abundantly in citrus fruits, berries and leafy greens, vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that supports our immune system, helping us fight off infections and stay healthy. And it's not just vitamin C. Plant foods are teeming with a rainbow of vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients, each playing a crucial role in our well-being. Now let's talk about saturated fat, the type of fat that can wreak havoc on our cardiovascular system. A whole food, plant-based diet is naturally low in saturated fat, which is found primarily in animal products and processed foods. This is fantastic news for our hearts. See, when we consume excessive amounts of saturated fat, it can lead to a buildup of cholesterol in our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease, heart attacks and strokes. By choosing plant-based foods, we're naturally opting for heart-healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts and seeds. These fats provide us with energy and essential fatty acids without clogging our arteries. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease to certain types of cancer. The good news is that a whole food, plant-based diet is inherently anti-inflammatory. How, you ask? Well, plant foods are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which act like firefighters in our bodies, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. Think of colorful berries, leafy greens and spices like turmeric. These are your anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Chapter 4: Weight Management. Let's be honest, weight management is a concern for many of us, and while a whole food, plant-based diet isn't a magic bullet, it can be an incredibly effective tool for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. One of the reasons for this is fiber, that magical substance found abundantly in plant foods. Fiber not only aids digestion, but also helps us feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating. Plus, whole plant foods are naturally lower in calories compared to processed foods, meaning you can eat satisfying portions without consuming excess calories. Chapter 5: Gut Health. You might be surprised to learn that our gut health plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. We're talking about trillions of bacteria residing in our intestines, collectively known as the gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is like a well-oiled machine, aiding digestion, boosting our immune system, and even influencing our mood. And guess what nourishes these beneficial gut bacteria? You got it, fiber. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are all excellent sources of prebiotics, the type of fiber that feeds our good gut bacteria, helping them thrive. Chapter 6: Disease Reversal. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, disease reversal. While it's essential to approach this topic with cautious optimism and consult with your healthcare provider, there's growing evidence suggesting that a whole food, plant-based diet can not only prevent but even reverse certain chronic diseases. Take type 2 diabetes, for example. This condition, often linked to lifestyle factors like poor diet and lack of exercise, can lead to serious health complications. However, studies have shown that adopting a whole food, plant-based diet can significantly improve blood sugar control, reduce insulin resistance, and in some cases, even reverse type 2 diabetes. And we often underestimate the connection between our diet and our mental health. But the truth is, what we eat can profoundly impact our mood, focus, and overall mental well-being. A whole food, plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provides our brains with the nutrients they need to function optimally. For instance, these foods are excellent sources of B vitamins, which play a crucial role in mood regulation, cognitive function, and energy production. Additionally, the antioxidants and phytonutrients found abundantly in plant foods help protect our brains from oxidative stress, a key contributor to cognitive decline and mood disorders. One of the most inspiring aspects of a whole food plant-based diet is the abundance of success stories. People from all walks of life struggling with various health challenges have experienced remarkable transformations by simply changing what they eat. Take, for instance, the story of John, a man in his late 50s who had been battling high blood pressure and high cholesterol for years. Despite taking medications, John's numbers remained stubbornly high, and he was at an increased risk of heart disease. Determined to take control of his health, John decided to give a whole food, plant-based diet a try. He started by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into his meals, while gradually reducing his intake of processed foods, meat, and dairy. Transitioning to a whole food, plant-based diet might seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing approach. Start by making small, sustainable changes, one step at a time. Remember, every little bit counts. One easy swap is to replace processed snacks with whole plant-based alternatives. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, opt for a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or some veggie sticks with hummus. Another simple change is to incorporate more plant-based meals into your week. Start with 1 or 2 plant-based dinners, then gradually increase the frequency as you become more comfortable. Chapter 10. Building a supportive community. Embarking on a new way of eating can be much easier and more enjoyable when you have a supportive community by your side. Connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion for plant-based living can provide encouragement, motivation, and a sense of belonging. Look for local or online communities dedicated to plant-based eating. These groups often organize potlucks, cooking classes, and social gatherings, providing opportunities to connect with others, share recipes, and learn from each other's experiences. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Chapter 11. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health. The more we understand about the impact of our food choices, the more empowered we are to make informed decisions. Fortunately, there's a wealth of resources available to help us deepen our understanding of plant-based nutrition. Books, documentaries, and online courses can provide valuable insights into the science behind plant-based eating, the benefits, the challenges, and the practical tips for making it a sustainable part of our lives. Title: Professional Guidance. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about transitioning to a whole food, plant-based diet, seeking guidance from a qualified healthcare professional is always a wise decision. Registered dietitians specializing in plant-based nutrition can provide personalized support, assess your individual needs, and help you create a tailored meal plan that aligns with your health goals. They can also address any concerns you might have, such as nutrient deficiencies, meal planning, or navigating social situations involving food. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Outro: the power of plant-based eating. So, is it possible that this one diet could make significant changes in your health? While individual results may vary, many people have found success and healing through this approach. Now it's your turn. Have you tried a whole food plant-based diet before? What health changes did you notice? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Remember, the power to improve your health is in your hands, starting with what's on your plate. For more information and resources on plant-based eating, visit our website today.